Yo, what's going on, y'all? All right, so today I'm going to show you how to get some wallets. All right, some wallets to hold your cryptocurrencies. Now, there's a few wallets that you might not need, but I'm going to show you the essential wallets, especially like your MetaMask wallet, because your MetaMask wallet, that's what's going to hold your HEX. All right, you pretty much need a MetaMask wallet to put Ethereum in the adoption amplifier. So if you don't have your MetaMask wallet, then you can't do anything. So I'm pretty much going to show you how to get your MetaMask wallet and how to get a few other wallets that may be beneficial for you. All right. So all right, let's start off with the MetaMask wallet. Right. So what the MetaMask wallet is, it's a wallet that holds your ERC-20 tokens. Right. So pretty much any crypto that's built off of Ethereum, off of the Ethereum network, pretty much they're considered a ERC-20, right? So the MetaMask wallet holds all ERC-20 tokens, right? Since it's built off of Ethereum, but it won't hold tokens like Bitcoin, VeChain, certain blockchains. It wouldn't carry because it wasn't built off the Ethereum network. So that's your MetaMask wallet, all right? Now, like I said before, your MetaMask wallet, you need that in order to put Ethereum inside the adoption amplifier. When you go to hex.com or go.hex.com and you want to transform Ethereum, if I want to put Ethereum in here, I have to have a MetaMask wallet. All right, because this right here, if you see on the top right, add to MetaMask. All right, and then pretty much this will allow your MetaMask wallet to sync up with go.hex.com. And then right over here, it'll this is pretty much, it'll link up. All right. So so you need your MetaMask wallet in order to get HEX to the adoption amplifier. Now you can have a Coinbase wallet, right? Coinbase is an exchange, but they have their own wallet as well. You can have a Coinbase wallet, and you could use that the browser setting in the on your iOS, right, or your Android, right? There's a setting where you're able to go to or a function I should say, that you're able to go have a browser inside your Coinbase wallet, and then you'll be able to go through a decentralized exchange like Uniswap and buy out HEX that way, right? But you still wouldn't be able to stake it unless you have your MetaMask wallet. All right, so that's pretty much the importance of it. Now let me show you guys how to get that MetaMask wallet. We're gonna play a little video right here on YouTube.
Here's how you can set up a wallet for HEX. Open your browser, type metamask.io, hit enter. In this case, click Get Chrome Extension, because we're using Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Wait for it to download and install. Now that it's installed, click Get Started. Let's make a new wallet. Create a wallet. Click. I don't like sharing data. I click no thanks. You should choose a strong password. I'm choosing a weak one because this is just a demo. Now, if you click this box, these are your secret words. Since these are public now, these are useless to anybody to use. We're going to save them into a notepad document so that we can put them in the next screen. Click Next. Twist fossil about drink. Twist fossil about drink. Unaware smile cause caught. Unaware smile cause caught. Forest expose key physical. Forest expose key physical. You shouldn't read these out loud. I'm just making it easy for you guys. Click confirm. And that's it. You're done. You now have a wallet that works for HEX and is also an Ethereum wallet. You can click copy here and get your address and take a look at it. There's your address. Congratulations.
All right, so that's the video for the for how to get MetaMask. Now I'm gonna show you another video on another wallet, which is called Exodus, right? Now Exodus, it works well because you're able to hold not only ERC-20 tokens, but you're also able to hold tokens like Bitcoin and VeChain and XRP and all other types, right? So now this right here, the Exodus wallet, I would say it works in my favor. Is if I want to buy, say for example, if I want to buy big cryptocurrency, and I don't have a debit card or credit card, and I have to like buy Bitcoin through Cash App. You see what I mean? Since I don't have a debit or credit card to buy cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, so I have to get it through Cash App. I have to buy Bitcoin through Cash App and then exchange whatever Bitcoin, whatever crypto I want for the Bitcoin, right? So the cool thing about the Exodus wallet is that it has an exchange feature inside the wallet. So I'm able to exchange certain cryptos. So say for example, if I want Ethereum, I can't buy Ethereum if I don't have a debit or credit card, right? So I will buy the Bitcoin on Cash App, send the Bitcoin from Cash App to my Exodus wallet, and then exchange using the exchange feature on the Exodus wallet. I'll exchange the Bitcoin for the Ethereum, right? So that's why that one is so it's so important for me, the Exodus wallet. And on the Exodus wallet, there's also a feature where you can buy Bitcoin straight out too, through your Apple wallet and stuff like that. So it works out well. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get the Exodus wallet on your phone. There's also a mobile version as well. I mean, a desktop version as well. I would say just get both. And here's a video on how to get it on your phone.
Exodus Wallet for Android and iOS can be installed in a matter of minutes to get you set up with secure multi-asset cryptocurrency storage on your mobile device. Depending on your mobile tastes, you can find Exodus by typing in Exodus Wallet into either the Google Play or Apple App Store. Once the wallet has been installed and opened for the first time, you're greeted by the welcome screen. Press the button to get started. Receive crypto by scanning or sharing your unique QR code or address. Send crypto in a few taps by scanning a QR code or pasting an address. Instantly swap your crypto with 50+ other assets securely from your wallet. Your funds are stored in your control, and your privacy is protected since you will be the only one to have access to your secret phrase. There's no account needed to get started. The first thing you'll see when starting a brand new wallet is the empty portfolio screen. From here, you have two options: start a brand new wallet or pair the wallet with your Exodus desktop. If this is a new wallet, you will first want to protect it by writing down your secret phrase. You of course can continue using the wallet without these steps, but we recommend taking the few minutes to set up your security before depositing any funds. Remember, anyone with your secret phrase can access your funds. So make sure you're in a safe, private place before continuing, then press View Secret Phrase. Write down your secret phrase on paper in the order from 1 to 12. Remember, never take a screenshot of your secret phrase. You'll need to press and hold the screen in order to reveal the phrase. Once your secret phrase is written down, you will always have access to your funds, even if you lose your device. Next, press the back button and then secure the wallet on the phone by creating a passcode or PIN. Once set, you'll need to enter this passcode first to open the wallet. If you would like to go one step further, you can use your device's biometrics to add an additional layer of security. Press the back arrow or swipe to the right to return to the profile screen. Press settings to enable notifications for when you receive funds. Enable satisfying sounds when sending, receiving, or exchanging assets. And set the desired local currency to display fiat amounts in the wallet. Swipe back to the right for the profile screen and then scroll down to see the available assets in your Exodus wallet. Tap the toggle switch to activate an asset or select to enable all or only the ones with a balance. Bitcoin and Ethereum are always active by default. Once you set your assets, you're ready to send your first deposit to your new Exodus wallet. Press the asset you would like to receive. The wallet will open and then press the arrow on the right side of the chart. This will display the address. You can tap the address to copy or scan the QR code into the sending wallet. Once you've sent funds from another wallet to Exodus, you're good to go.
All right, cool. So that was another video right there on pretty much another wallet that's pretty much useful. So now that's the Exodus wallet. And keep in mind that each coin that you carry in each of these wallets, they're going to have a different address. So your Bitcoin address from your Exodus wallet is going to be different from your Bitcoin address on say your Coinbase wallet, or your Ethereum address is going to be different from your Exodus and from your MetaMask wallet. All right, so they all have different addresses, so that way you know where exactly that crypto you're going to when you're exchanging. All right, now let's get into this last wallet. This is a Coinbase wallet. This wallet is pretty much like, it's like your Exodus wallet, and it's pretty much like your MetaMask wallet combined. It's pretty much the same thing. I just like to have a third option just in case. Maybe there might be some wallets where I want to do some trading off of, and then the other wallets I'll use to store most of my crypto. So it really depends, what your preference is. So now in your Coinbase wallet, pretty much I don't have a video or a tutorial or anything like that, but just go to wallet.coinbase.com and you can download it. It's not on desktop, it's only on your phone, so you get it on Android or you get it on your Apple, on your iOS device. So pretty much that's about it. That's all the wallets that really I have pretty much recommendations for. But you definitely want to get your MetaMask wallet if you're in this for HEX. If you're trying to get HEX, that's like the most important wallet that you can get. And also in the Exodus, not Exodus, on MetaMask. And also in your in the MetaMask wallet, you're also able to buy your Ethereum straight out. So say for example, you want to head into the adoption amplifier on go.hex.com. You don't even need anything else. All you need is your MetaMask wallet, and you can buy Ethereum straight out from there. Now keep in mind, this adoption amplifier closes on November 19th. So after November 19th, you're not going to be able to get HEX through the AA. The only way you're going to be able to get HEX is through an exchange. Right now, it's only decentralized exchanges that carry HEX. You're not going to find HEX like on crypto.com or Binance.us as of now. The only place you're going to be able to find it is on a decentralized exchanges like Uniswap.org or Mooniswap.com. So those are the only places right now. But like I said, you have until not even November 19th, because November 19th is a big payday. I believe it's November 17th that you have to put into the adoption amplifier your Ethereum for HEX. So after that, then you won't be able to get it through the AA. And also, if you're watching this video on YouTube, there's going to be a link in the description. You have up until November 17th to use that link to get an extra 10% HEX through the AA, right? So when you enter your Ethereum through the adoption amplifier, you're gonna get your whatever HEX you're supposed to get from that amount of Ethereum, but you're also gonna get back 10% more HEX just for using that referral code on the bottom. You'll get 10% more, and I'll get 20% more just for using that code. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys take care. Peace.